Hello everyone, as you can see we have an R2-D2 3D puzzle. It's from Droid Depot. I believe you can also get it in Disney Springs and probably over on the other coast as well. It's originally for Galaxy's Edge. So what we're going to do today is put together this little guy, and that way you can see if it's worth it for you to do as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got inside the box here. So we got the pieces, we've got a display stand, and then we have the instructions. So what we're going to do is put this together. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, but we do a lot of things that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related. Got lots of little pieces in here. See what we got. All right, so I guess we're gonna go in order. Just finding all the little pieces because there's lots of them. All right, thinking it's this one right here. Yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna go with, not that one, this piece here. That fits in pretty nicely like that. And then we've got this guy here. Okay, that's together. Alrighty. Got the front pieces here, so want to get these in. Make sure we get them in the right places. All right. So I've never put this thing together before, so this is going to be a first for me and probably for you as well. Okay, that looks right. There we go. And these just snap right together, and I was reading the instructions, and basically this is a one-time use type thing. So we're only going to put this thing together one time, and then it's just going to be a display piece. Okay, all right. Then we've got a grill. I wish they'd say like what color the pieces are. It would make things a lot easier. Make sure we get that in correctly. Maybe the other way here. That's feeling better. So then we got that piece together just like that, and that was that one right there. And then we've got a left and a right. I think that's right. Okay, then do the same thing on the other leg. We're just pushing that down and then in. Okay, that's coming together. It's good. And then this one here just goes together like that, looks like. Line that one up. I might have done that one backwards. We'll find out here in a moment. Maybe not. So that's snapping into place, so it must be right. Okay, and then, okay, so that's in place. That's in place. Oopsies. Question is, okay, so that's on the bottom. So then that slides in here. The question is, do we put the legs in? I'm thinking that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna go like this. Let's see if this is correct. put this together. Yeah, this is probably right. All right, so we're doing this. There we go, snap. Snap, that's correct. Snap, okay. All right, so droid is done. That was kind of fun. And then we've got the bottom piece. So I believe this lights up. Hopefully the office is dark enough where we can actually see that. So pull this out. And there we go. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get things cleaned up a little bit. We'll turn out the lights and we'll see what this guy looks like all lit up. All right, so we got everything cleaned up. Turn on the light. There we go, and let it spin. So yeah, I mean, that'll look really good on a shelf. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not sure how much it was. It was a gift for Christmas from my wife and or daughter. I'm not sure exactly at this point, but it will look really good on the shelf. So let's go ahead and take a closer look here at the, turn that light off, the stand. So it's got Droid Depot on it. It's definitely very plasticky. So, I mean, it's nice, but, you know, it's not going to be a display piece. It's not a metal display piece, so hopefully you understand that. But it's going to look really good on a shelf, so I'm really happy with it. If you have any questions about the little model here, ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, and me myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me and will hopefully be of interest to you as well.